purchased this Eonon brand Android 11 stereo to replace the stock stereo in a 2002 BMW E39 M5, and this has been a great swap out. A lot of extra features such as backup camera, front camera, connects to iPhone well, but I had a volume issue, and I've seen some other posts online of a low volume issue, and it's actually quite a simple fix. You've got the canbus connection that allows you to run controls from your steering wheel for volume and music forward and back. And what happens is, when I put it in, it worked fine, and then I had low volume. So if I go all the way up, that's as high as it goes. And you can see it takes a lot of turns to make that volume move up and down. I mean, that's a lot of turns. The deal is, it's not a one-to-one ratio of your volume control on your steering wheel to your volume knob on the stereo. So the fix is simply to turn it up here. Think of this as your master gain. If you're a musician, your master gain on your mixing console, and then this is a channel strip volume, or main out, if you will. But now we have a lot more volume. Hope that was helpful to somebody. Thank you.